Okay guys, now we are back. So go ahead.
Alright, here we go.
Shiny side down.
Shiny side down.
That looks pretty good.
Start your timer.
Okay. So. That's
You'll
pretty
see it
neat.
kind of hydrate.
Yeah.
And you may get a few bubbles in there. It's not too bad to get away. Just if you see anything bad, it'll kind of wrinkle up. And once it gets more hydrated, it'll kind of flatten out a little bit more.
Okay.
There's a bubble right there. There we go. Oh, it moved. Okay. He's over here out of the way, so I'm not going to need him.
Oh, I see. It is smoother now.
Yep, it'll kind of smooth out a little bit.
Okay.
Now, this is Activator. I ordered it from Amazon. It's a 16-ounce can. It's from Southern Hydrographs.
Okay.
Put a light coat down to 15 seconds. Shake good.
Okay. Oh, it is smoothing out. Look, I mean, even more than it was.
Yeah.
I'll be.
Right, here we go. Use a respirator if you're inside.
Okay.
This stuff does stink. Go nice and slow.
I'm going to move so maybe they can see. How you doing it?
Down. When you get underwater, move it around. You'll get everything so it don't. When you come back up, it don't stick.
How?
Perfect.
Let me zoom in on that. How about that?
Got up in the creases. Angle is a key thing.
Yeah.
So first time I did it, I got a bad air bubble right there in that gap.
Yeah.
And it didn't stick. It didn't even touch it.
Yeah.
So now you got the dip on there the way you want it. You need to rinse
Okay.
because it's still got this slimy kind of coating
Yeah.
on it. Don't touch it.
Okay. Is that warm water or cold?
It's cold water
Okay. So it doesn't matter. Cold water.
or lukewarm.
Okay. Just fresh water.
Yeah, fresh water.
Okay. We'll zoom in a little bit so they can see the patterns. I had no idea it would come out as good as it did. Pretty good. More to come. Okay guys, now we're back and he's going to do the upper receiver for his 40 and shiny side down.
Shiny side down.
Water's still warm. That's what I've been told. He's getting ready to set his timer up. And I got to say, I'm impressed. I will let him do a couple of my receivers. Maybe like some like Pink Little Pony or something like that.
They got any kind of pattern you want. A lot of your guns that you buy nowadays,
They already have them on them?
like the pink muddy girl that you see,
Oh, yeah, yeah.
a lot of that already is dipped.
Oh, that's set nicely. Okay. So, now you got your 1 minute.
Trying to find a good way to, because I got the end cap right here taped off, so because it'll remain black. Sights are black.
Yeah.
All that'll stay the same. I got it prepped out, taped how I want it.
Okay.
So, no air bubbles. You always need to go in at say a 45-degree angle.
Okay.
Go in flat, you have more of a chance to trapping an air bubble. Air bubbles are
Yeah.
bad.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. Now, what is that you're getting ready to spray?
Okay, this is the activator.
Okay. Oh, there we go.
Spray the activator. You'll see it kind of go submerged.
Yep.
And start spread. I done messed with it. Alright, we're going to redo that one.
Okay.
Okay, so a lot of people, and this is what not to do.
Okay.
Some people will take and put,
Use that plastic cap right there. How about that?
yeah, perfect.
Yeah.
Okay, what happened was my tape here was not connected.
Yeah.
And I'll tell you this, the tape around the border, it holds the ink and the film together.
Yeah.
Once this activator hit, it dissolved the film layer.
Yeah.
And the ink is what remains floating on top. So the blue painter's tape around the edge that you see,
Okay. It's a frame.
it frames.
Okay.
Exactly, it holds it together, because if I take and pick it up,
Yep. It's all.
it just disintegrates.
Okay.
Which is okay.
Can we still use the same water?
Still use the same water.
Okay.
You can take a napkin and just kind of skim it over the top, and it'll pick up some of the ink that's floating.
Okay. Cool. All right. More to come.